So yeah, as I said, these two did another thing I forgot to mention, Marina. They wrecked my bookshelf.
Yeah, so what? Hello, Fleabag! Hello, Fleabag! Hello, Fleabag! Hello, Fleabag! Hello, Fleabags! Hello, Fleabag! Hello, Fleabags! Hello, Fleabags! Hello, Fleabags! Say Uncle, Maggie! Uncle, you win! Uncle! I said Uncle! Now let me off! No! Say it like you mean it! Hold up the surrender flag and say Uncle! Uncle, flag's up! Uncle! Now say it in camera! Oh. I wanted to see your surrender! Uncle! Puppy Uncle! Better! Hee hee! Now you said Uncle!
That's a game me and the Gidgets like to play, called Say Puppy. We argue, and then we have a nice little clobber fight. Whoever pins first has to say Uncle. And hold up a surrender flag.
Hey, wait, we're usually one thing up the surrender flag, aren't we?
Until today, you finally tackled me down enough to make me hold up the flag.
If you're some animal that's like us, you can play the Uncle game. Barky will put the instructions in the instruction box in the description below. I haven't seen our movie yet. Marina. See it. RB barked. Beep! Technical difficulty.
Technical difficulties. Please stand by. I'm sorry, these two caused another technical difficulty. The camera lenses are expensive. Okay, one more argue game before I stop the camera.
Hello! Hey, we say hello. Hey, hello, Fleabags! Hello, Fleabags! Hello, Fleabags! Hello, Fleabags!
Ha! Now you gotta say Uncle. Let's show the subscribers how you say Uncle. Say Uncle, Gidget.
No!
Say it. Or I use the razor.
We don't even use the Uncle! Uncle! You're sort of like animal cruelty, you know that, don't ya?
That wasn't animal cruelty I did.
Sure it wasn't. Now you gotta say it! Say Uncle! Or we give you hair and ice trimming. Bzz.
Uncle, I don't want to have like the big bad wolf. Uncle!
Get lights!
The old scam with the Pennywise trick routine gets them every time. So if you have ideas to feed these two, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you next time. And whoever this Simply Max is, know I'm coming for him. You better unsubscribe if you know what's good for ya. Oops. Sorry. Got a little aggressive there, but